Hello, this is Dr. Shiitake. It's been 124 days from the inauguration. It has been raining for several days. That causes high humidity in this room. So these logs took a long time to be dry enough. Now looks fine. Let's put them in the bags. Potachi needs to be dry a few days more because he's a bit late and thick. I will keep making dictionary of shiitake shapes. Please look forward to seeing comes up next. That's it for today. We are going to soak the logs in 85 days. Now I post videos every day. Please subscribe and leave a like. That makes us smile. Thank you for watching. See you next time.